Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R for you all, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is I've got a Toyota Yaris on a 2008 Toyota Yaris, and we're going to go ahead and replace the fuel filler pipe. Okay, if you've gone to the petrol station ever, okay, and gone to fill the fuel in, the petrol in, and you see a big massive puddle underneath you, could be just a fuel filler pipe. Let's go ahead and change it. It's one of these, 2008. Let's go. Okay, first things first, whichever side the fuel filler is, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the wheel off. Let's take the wheel off. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this cover off. It's got a little clip on the bottom here. Should be able to just pull it off like that. There we go, happy days. Okay, we've took this cover off. Look at the state of that pipe. It's a disaster. The new pipe, or second-hand new one, what he's got, slightly different, but I think it'll still do our job. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to send the car up even higher on the ramp so I can get underneath it. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe, because you don't want the car falling on you. So I'll send the car up. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this bolt off here. Okay, I've already started taking it off, as you can see there, but the thing is, I'll be straight up honest with you, it was an absolute pig to take off. Okay, it will not come off. Rusted, corroded, tight, socket won't go on it. It's a 12 milli, and I think it's turned into a whatever it's turned into. So there we go, take that off there. There's no two ways about it. That was absolutely horrendous to take off. Right, let's go. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this clip off here, this Jubilee clip off here, this one off here. Okay, and this, which was supposed to be a clip of some sort, is absolutely disintegrated. That clip off as well, and that's about it. Everything else should be straightforward. Let's go. Okay, guys, we've took this pipe off here. This one's off as well. The clip was absolutely non-existent here, so I took that one off. That's off as well. Okay, which is half of it's there. Okay, so it doesn't really matter. Right, this one is not playing ball with me, basically. This clip is not coming off. So I'm going to try taking that clip off and see what happens. Hopefully it will come off. That's about it, I think. There's nothing else really holding this, I don't think so. Not really, no. So yeah, let's take that off. If you have to cut, well, don't go cutting it off. You don't want a spark there, because that's going to really make your day. Right, so make sure, well, I can't really show you how to take it off other than just go for it, you know. Just pliers, whatever you got, just take it off. Okay, guys, sit rep. As you can see there, I've tried everything on this, right? Okay, pliers, bloody sockets, screwdrivers, everything, and still won't come off. So I've got some vice grips on there, some mold grips on there. Grab it on the end there, and then basically just give it a turn. It will come off, but you have to just persevere with it. It's coming off a millimeter at a time, or half a millimeter at a time, but eventually it will come off. And yeah, let's go from there. Okay, guys, there we go. The clip is half off. That should, look at the state of that. That should come straight off. Let's see if it does. So that should come straight off. There we go. Happy days. That's off. Let's see what's what. Okay, then pipes are off. As you can see here, it's all freestyling. So what we're going to do now is hopefully now get a pry bar in there. Just give it a pry. That should, it's got a little clip there. Oh, there we go, that's coming off. That should just pull straight off. Actually, 1 minute, we're going to have to take the cap off and then pull it out. So yeah, we should have done this in the beginning. Take that cap off. So when I take the cap off, it's going to fall off, isn't it? So there we go, take the cap off. That should come straight out now. There we go, happy days. Look at the state of that. Let's get the second-hand new one on, and hopefully refitting it should be a lot easy. There we go, there's our second-hand new one. So all we do is, you can't really get it wrong, exactly same way. we'll put it in through there, and then what we do is we'll go on this side and then put it through that hole there, and that's about it. You can't really get it wrong. Let's do that. Let's go. Right, so there we have it. That pushes straight through. It's come out this way. We'll put the cap on. That way it can't really fall out again. Right, so that's in there. Push straight through there. I'm going to send it up, put that bolt on, get the pipes on. Let's finish it off. Let's go. Okay, so the pipe is in there, as you can see there. Okay, what we're going to do is, I've renewed the bolt, put a 17mm bolt in. It's exactly the same thing. It's just same thread and everything. Tighten that up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going to put this pipe on. Okay, I need 2 hands to put it on, so we're going to put this pipe on, get the pipes on. This one will go in there as well, like that. We'll obviously put the clip on as well. Get the big pipe on, and hopefully that's that. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've got the pipes back on there, and we're going to put the Jubilee clips on. Tighten them up, clips galore. Tighten them up. I'm going to give you a little top tip after, but first things first, let's tighten these up. And then, yeah, little top tip for you guys. Okay, the little top tip is, you know these Jubilee clips, what I normally do is just get some copper grease onto the Jubilee clips like that. That way, it won't rust and rot and things like that. Next time you take it off, it'll be a lot easier for you to take it off, if you ever take it off, that is. Bit of copper grease all over the show here. Stop it from rotting away. Make your life a lot easier for the next time. And that's about it. That's the top tip for the day. Let's go. Okay, last but not least, we have to get this cover back on. I mean, it's not rocket science. All we do is just line it up there. Get it lined up with these clips here. As you can see, 2 clips there, one there and one there. And then push it up. There we go. That's on. We'll put a cable tie onto that, from that bracket to that. And that's about it. Job done. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we replace the fuel filler pipe on a 2006, 7, 8, 9 kind of thing Toyota Yaris. Okay, and not the easiest job in the world. If everything comes off nice and easy, all the pipes and all the bolts, everything comes off nice and easy, dead easy, right? But 9 times out of 10 they are rusty, okay, and they hard to take off. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R for UL. We'll see you guys next time. Whoosh.